careful!
Dear viewers, welcome to Old MacDonald's Farm. Today, something exciting is about to happen. What a beautiful place, where animals laugh and go on exciting adventures and make fun.
Quack, quack! This is our adventure time!
Moki and ducks are going to do farming.
5 little ducks and Mama Duck, we will enjoy. We're going to the farm.
Monkey, Mother Duck, and 5 little ducks have started farming. Amazing, wow!
Quack, quack! What is going on at Old MacDonald? Let's go explore!
You got it! Have fun exploring!
My 5 little ducks, stay close and explore the hidden facts of Old MacDonald's farm.
Those ducklings look curious today, but don't know what will be next! What an amazing place! Look at butterflies!
Wow, look at that shiny water!
But curiosity can lead to trouble.
Quack, quack! Help!
Oh no! Hold on, 5 little ducks!
Be careful!
The ducklings were safe! How about a tractor ride?
Yay! Tractor ride!
And off they went for a fun ride. Hold on tight, everyone!
What? This is awesome!
Today we will enjoy a drive, so off they went for a fun ride. Max the monkey started working on the farm.
Quack, quack! It is time to water the plants.
Did you enjoy this rescue story?
Like, subscribe to video.
And share it with your friends.